In this video, we can see how to program the 8051 microcontroller. Usually, the 8051 microcontroller board does not contain an inbuilt programmer. We have to use an external programmer to program it. But here I have a 8051 microcontroller board with a built-in programmer. It has an Atmega 8A programmer chip embedded in the board, so we can program the board using USB Type-B cable, the same cable used to program standard Arduino Uno. Using this procedure, we can program 8051, 8052 and all microcontrollers of Atmel's 8089S series. Let's see how to program the board. First, we have to install the USB ASP drivers. Connect the board with the PC and open Device Manager. Here under USB devices, click on USB ASP. I have already installed the drivers, so it shows the device is working properly. If you haven't installed it, it will show there is no drivers for this device. I have given the links for the drivers in the description. Now switch to the driver tab. Then click on update driver. Then select the path in which you have downloaded the driver files and click next. I have already installed it. If you haven't installed it, it will start the installation process. Then we have to install the Keil software. Open your favorite browser and search for Keil download. Click on the first link. Here under the downloads part, click on C51. Usually this part asks to sign up. I have already signed up, so it loads the page directly. Then click on the download link. Download and install it. We can program it in two ways, either by using assembly language or embedded C. The assembly language is somewhat difficult, so we can use embedded C to program it. Then we have to create the hex file from the embedded C. For that, open the Keil software. Then click on project and new microvision project and give it a file name. Then it prompts us to select the microcontroller. Select 8089S52 and click OK. Then it prompts us to add the file to the project. Click No. Then create a new file by going to File and then New. I have given the code link in the description. Copy it and paste it here. Now save the file with the .c extension. Then right click on source group and click add existing files to group. Now select the file that we have created and add it. Now we can see the file under the source group. Now click on the options for target icon and change the frequency to 11.0592. Now switch to the output tab and check the create hex file and then click OK. Then we can verify the code. It shows 0 error, 0 warnings, hence the code is perfect. Then open Prog ISP software. The link for the software is given in the description. Here, select the microcontroller that we are using. Make sure that the PRG ISP and the USB ASP icons are not grayed out. If the drivers are not installed properly, they are grayed out. Go to Load Flash and select the hex file that we have created. Now click Auto. It will dump the code in the 8051 microcontroller. We can erase the microcontroller by clicking on Erase.